I want to convert these text into a lowercase. How I can do that? I will use the lower function and I will select the data which I want to transfer into a lower. So you can see text converted into a lower form, but the number remain the same because number has no gender. So I can copy and paste where I want to do. This way you can see converted. This is converted into lower and this is also converted into lower. So you can use the lower function to convert the text from any form into a lower form.